That the U.S. believes Meng Whanzhou has committed serious crimes is no secret, but the depth of the allegations against her and Huawei, the giant Chinese tech company she helps run, unveiled today in Washington, is stunning.
The criminal activity alleged in this indictment goes back at least 10 years and goes all the way to the top of the company.
Meng, who was detained last month in Vancouver while the U.S. seeks her extradition, faces a litany of charges. Consider some of the language in court documents made public today: conspiracy, fraud, false representations, money laundering.
There are additional troubling allegations in the indictment as well, including that Huawei lied to the federal government and attempted to obstruct justice by concealing and destroying evidence and by moving potential government witnesses back to China.
At the heart of the allegations, that Huawei skirted U.S. sanctions on Iran, doing business there through banks in the U.S. via a subsidiary called Skycom. Huawei long denied links with Skycom, but said the U.S. today that was a lie, and a brazen one. What's more,
Huawei also intentionally and systematically sought to steal valuable intellectual property from an American company.
Corporate espionage. The allegation Huawei stole trade secrets, specifically plans for this robotic smartphone tester from a U.S. company. But beyond the charges, the key U.S. message today is that Huawei can't be trusted. Long linked to the Chinese government as it leads the push toward a global 5G network, many label Huawei a spy for China that threatens all who deal with it.
We have to carefully consider the risks that companies like Huawei pose if we're going to allow them into our telecommunications infrastructure.
All of it a key step in the U.S. getting Meng out of Canada and into this country to face those charges in person. An extradition hearing now looms as the U.S. Justice Department awaits. Paul Hunter, CBC News, Washington.